Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget that some hours ago there have been information, counter information, and information orders and counter orders over the issue of the remembrance days of the fallen heroes of Biafra, quote and unquote. But as we speak, this is in front of United Nations in New York in United States, the Biafrans, quote and unquote, in diaspora, Ipob in diaspora, have gone ahead to sensitize the people over there, and they didn't stop there. They mentioned what transpired. Some of the old soldiers that fought the Biafran War were amongst them, and they relived their experiences. For some of us who have not heard first-hand information from live people or those who survived the Biafran War, you will get to hear it in this video, where one of the soldiers then explained how they lost in the war and what they could do right in this particular time. And they also mentioned what is going on in Nigeria. A lot they said in round figure. It's quite a big one, but I tried to summarize them in all the sections of the video. All of them are actually information packed. But before so now, watch the video together with us and let's meet in our comment section. It is lit right now. Even the southeast is getting really hot. Let's watch the video together, please.
Into a negotiation called Aburi Accord to stem the violence, the killing of Easterners, disappointing General Gowon not, and we were slaughtered. More than 6 million children, as reported by Irish newspaper, The Triumph, said that about 6 million Biafran children faced death as at 1967 to 1970 January. Countless of the elders,
this is live, so I think
those
I hear
that
him.
died that were not
I'm
sick.
live. Tell him to speak louder.
Bring forward, having lost about 6 to 7 million, having lost about 6 to 7 million of children. Remember, adults were included. The war ended, no victor,
No vanquished.
Its implementation of the 3 hours failed woefully, and the killings continued. Today, we are here to remind the world that we are facing existential threat. We are being killed in thousands every day, and we are yearning. We are telling the world, come to our rescue. Come and listen to us. Take, for instance, this year, 2021, as at March, the government had killed and exported 40 parts of over 7,500 to China. Count it. Those were the ones seen. In only about 3 months, they could kill more than 2,500 of us and sell their parts. Imagine what they had been doing since 1929. Count with me. I want you to follow me on this simple arithmetic. From 1929 to present 2021, we have about 92 years.
Yes.
Multiply 2,500 into 12 months. Multiply 12 months into 92 times. And multiply 2,500 into those numbers. You are getting more than 3 million. They have been killing us. Now add over 6 to 10 million that were lost during the war. So we are undergoing continuing genocide in perpetuity, and we are calling the world to step in. So, on average, we have suffered more than 15 million victims of genocidal killings in the contraption called Nigeria. And we are saying there should be an end to it. That is why we are here today. We are here because we are hurting. We are being killed. And if we say nothing, and if nothing is done, we will be extinct. Extinction means what? Out of existence. But we remember one thing. We have a living God that we follow. And we have seen his finger. And that his finger is leading us. In our vernacular song, we sing and we say, Akabakanso,
Aka Jehovah na-eme Ole ebube ya na-ebegharị n'ebe anyị nọ. Isi nke ndụ ị na-amụghị ya gata. Aka Jehovah na-eme.
That finger of the living God that led Israelites out of Egypt is still alive today. Yes. And is leading us. And there is a prophet ahead of us. His name is
Nnamdi Kanu.
And we are following him, and God will lead us to victory. So over 17 million genocidal victims Biafrans have suffered. And we are saying it should come to an end. And
because for the fact we are living in remote quarters, people who were coming from the north, all the killing, I saw that as a teenager. Okay? And within that time, when the eastern region, when Ojukwu came and declared Biafra, we were all of us that came with it. And when the war started, before me, I saw
share this program. Share this program.
To that time with cutlass, and then with stick, with all kinds of utensils. And we saw them going to fight people who had machine guns. So within that time, our young men stood the ground and was able to fight that war through that time. And eventually, when Enugu fell, I was one of the last that left Enugu. I would have been captured at hand as a teenager. So, with doing that, we left and also went to Port Harcourt. Going to Port Harcourt, also Port Harcourt fell. As a teenager, I traveled on my foot 2 days from Port Harcourt to Owerri with my father. So throughout the war, I was involved. And during the war, I was attached to Army Intelligence Protection who I served. So throughout the war, my job was attention to other locations because I wasn't up to age to be in the armed forces, but I was used as a messenger. And through that program, I saw what happened. So all I'm saying is this: the war we fought, it wasn't our time to get Biafra. What happened was because of what our grandparents did. The atrocities of the day. Because if you see what happened in Biafra land, our children, brothers, sisters,